Good morning, everyone. In this session, I will share with you how to solve the exercise 2.2, determine whether the given continuous time system is linear or not. Okay, the first question is yt equal to xt sine t. Alright? Okay, so I would use the diagrammatic explanation to solve this question. So first of all, let's draw the diagram. You have the input xt and then you insert into the constant a1 and then the output is a1 x1t, right? And then you have the another input, you have the x2t, you insert into a constant a2, so the output is a2 x2t. So when you sum up, okay, this is the symbol of sum, you sum up, what do you get? A1 x1t plus A2 x2t. And then you insert into a system hash. So what will be the output? So let's say y1t is the output equal to A1 x1t plus A2 x2t. Then multiply with the system. The system is sine. So it's a sine t. Okay, then look at another one, you check with another one. You have the input x1t and then you insert into the system first. Then you obtain x1t multiplied with the system is the sine t. And another input, so-called x2t, insert into a system. Then you obtain x2t sine t. Okay, each of the input after the insert into a system, you multiply a constant a1. So what will you get here? A1 x1t sine t. Then the second one also the same. Insert the a2. So you obtain a2 x2t sine t. Okay, and then you sum it. Okay, you sum up then to produce the y2. So y2t equal to a1 x1t sine t plus with a2 x2t sine t. So now let's compare y1 and y2. Is it the same? Is it the same? Same, right? For the first one, y1t, you can multiply in. When you multiply in, you also get a1 x1t sine t plus a2 x2t sine t, which is same as y2t. So therefore, I would say y1t equal to y2t, which is linear. So this question is linear. Now, let's look at second question. V yt equal to sine xt. Okay, so you have the input x1t, you insert into a constant a1. So you produce the output of a1 x1t. And you have another input, which is x2t, insert into a constant a2, produce an outcome of a2 x2t. So both signals will be summed up to produce an output. This output will be the a1 x1t plus a2 x2t. Okay, so after this, you insert into a system, so-called hash, to produce the y output. So let's say y1t equal to, so the hash is the sine. So it's a sine a1 x1t plus a2 x2t. Okay, then what about the second one? Okay, you can have the input is x1t, you insert into a system H to produce the output of the system is the sine. So input is x1t, so sine x1t. Okay, and then you insert into a constant, which is a1, to produce the output of a1 sine x1t. Okay, another input is x2t. You insert into a system so-called H to get the output like sine x2t. Then you insert into a system a2 to produce a2 sine x2t. So both signal will be summed up, okay, then to get the output. So let's say this output is so-called y2t. So y2t equal to a1 sine x1t plus a2 sine x2t. Okay, now you can compare y1t with y2t, whether you get the same or not. Okay, do you get the same one? It's not the same, because if you look at the first one, this is the sine. Okay, the sine is sine everything here. But this one, the sine is only for the sine x1t. So it is not the same. So therefore, I would say y1t is not the same with the y2t. So this is non-linear. Right? Now let's look at another question, the third question. C equal to yt equal to t squared 2x t minus 1. Okay, what will be the answer? Okay, now you have the input is x1t. Okay, you insert into a constant a1. Okay, so you get a1 x1t, and then you have the another input so-called x2t, insert into a constant, you get a2 x2t. So both signal will be summed up to get a1 x1t plus a2 x2t. Then you insert into a system H. So what will be the output? So let's say output is y1t equal to the system is t squared. Okay, t squared and 2. So t squared 2, and then you have the a1 x1t plus a2 x2t. Oh, okay. Sorry, the system is t minus 1. So just remove this one. T minus 1. Okay. x1 t minus 1 plus a2 x2 t minus 1. Okay, another second one, you have the x1t. Okay, you insert into a system first. Then you get t squared 2x 1 t minus 1. And then you have the second one, second input x2t. And then you insert into a system. You get t squared 2x2t minus 1. So both of them will be insert into a constant. For x1t, we'll insert into a constant a1. Then you get a1 t squared 2x1t minus 1. Whereas second one is the insert into a2, where you will get a2 t squared 2x2 t minus 1. Okay, both of these signal will be summed up. Okay, and then what will be the output? So let's say the output is y2t equal to a1 t squared 2x1 t minus 1 plus a2 t squared 2x2 t minus 1. Alright, then you compare this y1t and y2t, whether they are same or not. Okay, for the first one, you can always multiply in. Okay, we multiply in. So when you multiply in, you will get the same answer. So therefore, I would say y1t equal to y2t. So therefore, this question is linear. Okay, that's all for the solution for the exercise 2.2, question 1 to 1, A, B, and C. Alright, thank you everyone. Hope you can understand.